Hello. Today we are going to do something fun. We are going to make a delicious, low-calorie, low-point Christmas breakfast board. I'm gonna start off by baking up some eggs. I'm gonna spray my pan, get some salt and pepper. I'm using egg beaters. I'm just gonna pour enough in to coat the bottom of a 9x13 baking pan. And then I'm gonna add some salt and pepper so it gives it some flavor. I got my oven preheating to 350, and this is only gonna go in for like 12 to 15 minutes. I come across this idea on Pinterest, and I've seen a few of them on there, and I'm like, this would be so fun to put together. I mean, you could put it together for a family gathering or friends coming over, any kind of children or grandchildren that you have at your home this Christmas. And this is just gonna be layers of fun. While the eggs are cooking, I'm gonna get some blueberries washed up along with some strawberries. Oven is ready, so my eggs are going in. Very carefully. Yesterday I prepared turkey bacon. If you want to use regular bacon, please do so. Whatever you and your family enjoy, that's definitely what you want to make for this Christmas breakfast board. I'm gonna get some Kodiak pancake mix ready to make up some pancakes. I use 1 cup of Kodiak pancake mix to 3/4 cup of water. And you know, I like to use a banana and mix it in here as well. It gives it like just the right amount of sweetness. I think I'm gonna do that too. I'm just gonna use my electric skillet that I used for the bacon yesterday. I wiped it out and sprayed it. I'm just gonna get it heating up, and then I'm going to put the pancakes in there and get them cooking. You could do this even for a Christmas breakfast dinner. I love breakfast for dinner, don't you? I think my pan's warm enough. We'll say yes. I'm gonna make a good size pancake. Oh yeah, it's sizzling. It's definitely ready. My timer just went off, so I'm gonna check the eggs and see how they're doing. They've been in for 12 minutes. They're looking like they're almost done, but not quite. So we're gonna put them in for just a few more minutes. Oh, these are taking no time in this electric skillet. Look at how golden brown those are. Those are just perfect. For the strawberries, I'm gonna cut the bottom off. I want the point left, and then I'm just gonna cut off, about 1/2 to 1/4 of the strawberry. I'm gonna do that and set it aside. I have something, check the eggs, but I have something super, super cute planned for these strawberries. I am really excited about these. Okay, let's check the eggs again. Hopefully they're done. Those are definitely done. And I'm gonna leave the eggs there to cool just a little bit and kind of settle. Right here had like a bubble and it just like went right in, but that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go back over and start working on those strawberries again. After I remove the pancakes from the pan, we don't want those to overcook. I'm gonna set these aside with the eggs and let everything cool just a little bit here. We're in the garage freezer. This is where I have turkey sausage. So we're gonna bring this in the house. The sausage just says to wrap it up in a paper towel. So I did, put it in my microwave, and it's saying like up to 90 seconds. So I'm gonna go a minute, I think, and then I'll just go from there. Okay, now comes the fun part. I have a star cookie cutter, and I'm gonna take this section of my egg and I'm gonna cut out a star shape. I'm actually gonna do this with a few of them. How cute is that, right? Okay, I'm gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna make a few. This is supposed to be a breakfast Christmas board. Now, if you have a really good sized cutting board or a piece of wood or something that you could sand down and make nice, however you wanna do it, that is what you should use, but I am going to use my Christmas platter. This is a very large Christmas platter. I found this at a yard sale many years ago and I love it. It's got a Christmas tree. It's a good size. It's a little heavy. I think it's gonna hold this breakfast really well. So that's what I'm gonna use for my Christmas board. I'm gonna start placing my star eggs on my platter. And now I'm gonna take my pancakes. I'm gonna do one at a time. I'm gonna put it on a hard plate so I have something, you know, hard to press down on. And for my pancakes, I'm gonna use a Christmas tree cookie cutter and a gingerbread man cookie cutter, and I'm just gonna alternate it. It's gonna be so cute. If you wanted to, you can make your pancakes gingerbread pancakes. There's the gingerbread one. And he is gonna look so cute on my platter. And here's my Christmas tree. That's too cute. Next, okay, this is the ultimate part of this whole entire board for me. This is the part I've really been looking for. I mean, cutting out the stuff with cookie cutters has been amazing, love that, but this goes beyond. Okay, so I have black decorating gel and I also have sugar-free Ready Whip. Now we're gonna decorate the strawberries. Okay, so I have a strawberry. I'm gonna take the little top off of it and set it here. I'm gonna put a little bit of whipped cream here. I'm gonna put the top back on. Take my decorating gel and just put like 2 little dots for eyes. Put a little... Do you see what we're doing here? It is a Santa strawberry. Okay, so that one looks kind of funky. I'm gonna keep working with them and see if I can have Santa look just a little bit better. All right, let's see if we can perfect Santa. I'm gonna add more whipped cream maybe. Maybe that will help. Give some height to him. Then I'm gonna do the decorating gel before I put the little hat on. So there's an eye. And there's an eye. Put his little hat on. Woo! That's cute. So more whipped cream. More whipped cream. Oh, I can handle that. Don't tell me twice. I gotta add more whipped cream. I need to fix my Santas, which I will do in a minute. Now to my platter, I'm gonna add some slices of turkey bacon along with some turkey sausage. Because my platter's not big enough to hold much more, I'm gonna set these around it. I have some extra blueberries. You could decorate your pancakes with blueberry ornaments. I have some sprinkles that are Christmas trees, some extra strawberries. And of course, we don't want to forget whipped cream. You could also set out sugar-free syrup, and honestly, just build on this breakfast platter. I think this is so adorable, so fun, and I think there's many different things we can do. Now, when you think about it, it is definitely low points. Eggs are 0. For 1 slice of turkey bacon, it's 1 point. Turkey sausage is 1 point per link. Kodak pancakes are very low, and all the fruit is 0 points. Sugar-free whipped cream, 0 points. And a little bit of sprinkles on top is not gonna hurt anything. So just for a few points, you get a fun, festive, delicious, hearty breakfast to start off your Christmas morning. Looking for more ideas for yummy Weight Watcher food? Here are 2 videos you can enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.